Welcome to Max class. In this class, we discuss about common factors, common multiples, highest common factor and least common multiples in the chapter numbers. Common factors. Consider the numbers 45 and 60. Use of divisibility test will also help us to find the factors of 45 and 60. Factors of 45 equal to 1, 3, 5, 9, 15 and 45. Factors of 60 equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30 and 60. The common factors of 45 and 60 equal to 1, 3, 5 and 15. Highest common factor HCF. The highest common factor of two numbers is the largest factor that is common to both of them. The highest common factor of the numbers x and y can be written as HCF of x and y. The highest common factor is also called as the greatest common divisor GCD or the greatest common factor GCF. HCF of 1 and x equal to 1. HCF of x and y equal to x if y is a multiple of x. For example, highest common factor of 3 and 6 is equal to 3. Here x is the multiple of 3. If the highest common factor of two numbers is 1, then the numbers are said to be co-primes or relatively prime. Here the two numbers can both be primes as 5 and 7 or both can be composites as 14 and 27 or one can be prime and other a composite as 11 and 12. Let us consider find the highest common factor of the numbers 40 and 56 by division method. 40 is divided by 2, we get 20, is divided by 2, we get 10, divided by 2, we get 5, 5 is divided by 5, we get 1, here 5 is also a prime number. 56 is divided by 2, we get 28, which is divided by 2, we get 14, is divided by 2, we get 7, 7 is divided by 7, we get 1, 7 is also a prime number. Prime factorization of 40 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Prime factorization of 56 equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. The product of common factors of 40 and 56 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. So the highest common factor of 40 and 56 equal to 8. So dividing by the common factor 2, HCF equal to product of common factors. 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Next we learn about common multiples. Multiples, let us write the multiples of 5 and 7. Multiples of 5 equal to 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, etc. Multiples of 7 equal to 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, 63 and 70, etc. The common multiples of 5 and 7 equal to 35 and 70. Least common multiple LCM. The least common multiple of any two non-zero whole numbers is the smallest or the lowest common multiple of both the numbers. The least common multiple of the numbers x and y can be written as LCM of x and y. We can find the least common multiple of two or more numbers by the following methods: division method, prime factorization method. For example, find the LCM of 156 and 124 by division method. Step 1. Start with the smallest prime factor and go on dividing till all the numbers are divided as given below. Now, we find the prime factors of 156 and 124 by division method. 156 and 124 both are even numbers. So, 156 and 124 divided by 2 we get 78 and 62. Divided by 2 we get 39 and 31. Here 39 is a composite number which is divided by 3, we get 13. 31 is a prime number. 13 is also a prime number which is divided by 13, we get 1. 31 is divided by 31, we get 1. Step 2. LCM equal to product of all prime factors. 1 into 2 into 3 into 13 into 31, we get 4836. So LCM of 156 and 124 equal to 4836. Now we find the prime factors of 156 and 124 by prime factorization method. 156 equal to 2 into 78. 78 is divided by 2, we get 39. 39 is divided by 3, we get 13. 124 equal to 2 into 62. 62 is divided by 2, we get 31. Step 2. Product of common factors. We write the product of common factors equal to 2 into 2 and product of factors that are not common equal to 3 into 13 into 31. Step 3. LCM equal to product of common factors into product of factors that are not common equal to product of common factors 2 into 2, we get 4. Product of factors that are not common equal to 3 into 13 into 31, we get 1209. Now we multiply 4 and 1209 equal to 4836. LCM of 156 and 124 is 4836. Students, I hope you have understood the common factors, common multiples, highest common factor and least common multiple. Thank you.